Are you suffering from anxiety about your financial situation for retirement? Don't want to rely on government assistance during your retirement. Create an online business that revolves around something that excites you, a labor of love. A fully automated online business can provide you an income every day, all year round, even while you're offline and even while you're sleeping. Work for yourself. No more unappreciative boss. Work the hours you want. No more commuting. The money you can earn can be limitless. I can help you by sending you free informative videos which will give you an insight of the many options for replacing your income with an automated online business that you love. To take advantage of the new era of digital marketing. There are no obligations. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. With the correct mindset and applying yourself, your online business can be set up in a few months, even while you continue with your current employment. I too was feeling lost, unsure of my future. Retirement is getting closer. With an online business, not only can you have a substantial income, but you'll have more time freedom. Spend more quality time with your spouse, children, grandchildren. Travel the world. Enjoy the countries you've always wanted to explore on extended holidays while working with an internet-connected laptop. Enjoy your hobbies and sport. Press the blue life change button below for mobile, or to my right for PC. Enter your name and email, and I will send you the free informative videos. Experience the videos so you can decide if an online business is for you. The same videos that I received which helped me decide that an online business is for me. You don't need to have online technical skills. Step-by-step training will guide you. I'm in my mid-60s and feel I have many good years left, so don't think you're too old. You don't need a product of your own. Don't continue with anxiety and uncertainty in your life. Free yourself of the time for money rat race and the drudgery of your current employment. Change your life. Act now. Press the blue life change button.